Hi there, we're coming together to do a regular Larimar pour that I want to try to make look like the Larimar stone. We'll see how it goes. I have mixed up 7 ounces of Craft Resin brand resin. It's a 1-to-1 lower viscosity resin. I am going to just divide it evenly amongst these cups. Put a little in each just to start so I know how I'm doing. I could just look at the side of the cup and see how much I'm pouring, but that's not as much fun as having to look at all the cups and try to figure it out. Looks like this one needs just a tad more. We'll give it what we can. All right. I didn't grab sticks. Let me grab a couple sticks. All right. So in my first cup, I'm going to do it slightly different in that I'm going to add interference blue powder from Let's Resin. Just a tiny bit. I always like, if I can, to add some shimmer. And you see, it's just a tiny bit. Next, I'm going to use night blue. I'm going to try this for the blue in this effect. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to do 6 drops. And this will be hopefully my darker color, but we'll see. If the other one comes out darker, then I might switch them, or I might add more to this one. So pretty, look at that. Just the tiny bit of the interference really made it look special. I love that. I'm going to add 2 more drops though, just to darken it up a little bit. I would like it to be my dark color, so this gives it a better shot. Hopefully I'm not messing up my pour by using the mica powder. At any rate, I hope we get something pretty because I do like this. All right, next I have jeans. These are Octopus Fluids resin inks. I open them to the side because the lids get all crusty. And I'm going to do 6 drops. I think I counted that right. Sometimes the drops come out of the bottle fast to start and I miss some counting. And you could see why I thought this might be my darker color. I think they're going to be close enough. Maybe I'll just alternate them more. I do want this to be the first color I pour in because of the mica powder. But that is really pretty too, right? All right, now for our white, I am going to start off with just 6 drops of this CastinCraft opaque pigment concentrate. I want it to be very light, and I'm a little worried because I'm at the end of my bottle, so it's a little thicker concentration. And I want to be able to see my stick pretty fast after I mix it all together. I'm a little worried it might be too heavy. I want to keep using that bottle till it's all gone. You have to reformulate things. All right, that looks pretty good. I think it could have been a little lighter, but I think that looks good. All right, with the traditional Larimar, we just pour our white in first. I'm going to stand up and pop it in. I'm just trying to get it all so it coats the bottom nicely. And then I'm going to start pouring these in, just alternating them. I want to give this one a good coating though first. And then this to push it more to the edge. So the next pours are going to be much smaller. A little more of this in the center. And then I'm actually going to do a little spiral thing. And that's only to try to break it up just a little bit more, the cells. Just drizzling it around. To hopefully add a little differentiation, a little different, so that they're not all consistently the same size. I don't know if that worked. I don't know if I used enough. We'll try it. I don't normally put any bits in my Larimar, and I debated this for a while, and I decided I'm just going to leave them out of this pour. I'm going to give it about 10 minutes. I'll come back in and hit it with my torch. I don't want to hit it with my torch too soon because I could burn my mold to my resin, and I don't want to do that. And then we'll just be back to unmold it. We'll see how it all worked out. I'll give it a quick little torch. That's all I'm going to do in 10 minutes too. All right, we'll be back. All right, we're back. I did have to swirl the center closed. It may have closed on its own, but I just wasn't sure. Since I don't like to put bits in my Larimar, I hope that doesn't look strange. We'll see. We'll see how it worked out. All right, it's the moment of truth. I'm really hoping this looks cool. Oh, wow. You know, that glitter might have been a bit too strong, that color with the glitter, because you can't really see the design here. It kind of overpowers it. But everywhere else, the Larimar is just fabulous. So now I know I added too much of the sparkly, but it's gorgeous, right? So pretty. I'm going to put a light behind it. Look, watch the end of my video so you can see what it looks like. I don't know what I did there, but that is so pretty. I will do that again.